Okay, welcome, welcome. Let's see what we got to do today. We'll start with our post analysis. For yesterday, I was looking at taking buys on the break of breaking bullishly breaching this zone. I was looking at taking buys. Okay. However, when you look at the buys, there was no retracement to give us some retest for me to anticipate further bullish momentum. It just kept pumping. Yes, there was all indication for me to take buys on the break of this high with stop loss below this candle because of how the volume of this candle, the impulsiveness, the time it was occurring, everything was aligning. However, don't forget that this could be retraced fully. It could do this, then you get a full candle retracement like this. I didn't want to cut between this deep red sea and red deep sea or whatever you want to call it. I don't want to be caught between it. So I just waited and I noticed that it kept pumping. Okay, it didn't meet my criteria. I let it be. This is one of those situations where if something doesn't meet your criteria, you let it be. Okay? No matter how beautiful it might appear, if it does not meet your criteria, you let it be. Even if it's just one criteria that is not aligning, you just let it be. Okay, with that being said, I was looking at taking buys above here. I think I've said that. Then sells below this zone, not in this zone. Okay. Then it played out beautifully, and what did we get? It came to this upper limit or upper zone where I was looking at closing my trade because from here to here was tradable zone. Okay. This was a caution, a zone to be cautious about. This is another zone to be cautious about. So this is the tradable zone from point 0 to point 1. Just looking at this as if this is your integral sign 0 to 1. So this is the tradable zone. At the moment, what I'm looking at is taking buys. I've already put my buy stop order. Take buys here. Stop loss below the zone TP here. So it just give me 1 hour first, then we can anticipate further bullish momentum. With that being said, this is what I'm looking at for price to push and continue. This will be scenario one. Scenario two is if price dips, I'll wait for it to come for retracement. Then scenario two to dip to retest this low, then further dipping to this level. Okay, this will be scenario two. And don't forget, if you're new here, for you to enjoy this forecast, you can watch it or join me live, but still go and watch the one for yesterday to get a full understanding of why I did not take this trade and what I was looking at for yesterday. Then don't forget to subscribe on the YouTube channel because I'll be posting it later on YouTube. Don't also forget to hit that notification bell or button, okay, down here. Then comment what you like to see and or how you'd like me to make the forecast depending on your level of understanding. Then the last but not the least is to give a like. Okay. With that being said, for British pound, Japanese yen, let's move ahead to gold. For gold again, the same pattern occurred. This is the zone I was looking at. I say, hey, stay out of this zone. It's too tight compared to that of GJ. Then just stay out of this particular area. However, GJ played a very sweet one yesterday, which is this. Came for retracement, then retest of the high. GJ did this. So, but to stick to my strategy and to the fact that yes, I could have taken buy somewhere around here, stop loss here to retest this high. But I just said, let me play extra cautious. Let me be extra cautious, play extra safe. Okay. So safe but sales will occur below this zone. This will be scenario 1. Safe buys occur above this zone. This will be scenario 2. So this is what I'm looking at on gold. Okay, scenario 2 up here. So if you got any question, feel free to ask. Yeah, it has given us the structure for sales, but don't forget that here on daily we're on seller's territory, 4 hours we're on buyer's territory, the 1 hours now we're in seller's territory. I know this 4 hours zone, which is this demand zone, is going to play a strong, it's going to be like what we call a turning point. In the sense that if it bearishly breaches this, we'll anticipate further dip. If it could not or it fails to, then we'll just anticipate price to be playing this ping pong here, just like we've noticed throughout yesterday. So let's see what gold is going to give us today. Just like I said, sales below, buys above. The last but not the least is Bitcoin. Bitcoin was very beautiful yesterday in the sense whereby it just continued dipping. As we were looking at, there was clean traffic below here. Yeah, I know I've rearranged the structure. So this is what I'm trying to talk about. Watch the video for yesterday to see the structure for GA Bitcoin. This was a clean traffic and it has hit our daily demand zone. So I'll be very skeptical here. Let me see how price would react, then see if I will take further sales. But sweet sales will occur when we get a bearish breach in anticipation for price to keep dipping or buys to occur above here. So this is just what I'm looking at. This was clean traffic to the left, excuse me, which was mirrored. If you check from here to here, this was clean traffic and it played out beautifully. So let's see what this is going to do for us on Bitcoin. I'm looking for sales if we get a bearish breach, come for retracement, then further dipping, then buys if we get a bullish breach above this zone. Okay. However, if we get some counter trend setup, we could take buys in this territory to mirror this clean traffic here. If we get a counter trend setup, okay, something like this where price will go up, come for retest. We are not going to take buys on the break of this high. It goes up again, come for retest. So it has given us what my mentor call money spot. Okay, it's also like an indecision area where you have both the sellers and the buyers interested. The buyers are interested in taking some money, which is the new money. The sellers are interested in taking sales, which is the old money. So this is the kind of structure I'm talking about. Goes up, comes down, goes up, comes down, then I'll be anticipating to take buys anywhere here in order to do what? Mirror this traffic somewhere like this. So assuming that this is 0, this is A, this is B, this is 0, this is A, this is B. So this structure is the same thing as this structure you see here. Okay, so let's see what is going to happen. So that is what I got for you right now. So I believe the explanation is simple and straightforward. If you have any question, don't hesitate to let me know. I'm here. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell or button, comment, and like. That's all for now. From me to you, Pips Collector. Peace. Or like my Jewish friends would say, Shalom. Or like my egg friends would say, Baraka Bashad. Okay, bye for now.